Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we are covering the CountIFS function. If you wish to follow along, there's a link to the Excel file for this video in the description below. While you're down there, please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment on this video or an Excel tutorial you would like to see. The Excel CountIFS function counts the cells using one or more criteria you enter into the formula. The CountIFS function is part of the Excel statistical group. There are two required arguments. Criteria range 1. This is the first range you wish to evaluate against the associated criteria, and criteria. This argument can be in the form of a number, expression, cell reference, or text that defines which cells will be counted. Optional arguments are additional criteria ranges and criteria. You can have up to 127 range criteria pairs. Like the CountIF function, linked in the description below, you can use the wildcard characters, the question mark and asterisk. The question mark matches any single character, and an asterisk matches any sequence of characters. If you want to find the actual question mark or asterisk, type a tilde before the character. In the first example, I have three columns, item 1, item 2, and item 3. I want to create a formula using the CountIFS from the criteria in column E. Since this is a basic overview of how the CountIFS function works, I will not be reviewing every type of criteria setup that is possible. In F2, let's start with the first formula. Looking at the criteria, it looks like we are going to look for an exact match. Equals CountIFS, open parentheses. Let's select our first criteria group, column A, comma, double quote, AA, double quote, comma. Let's select our second criteria group, comma, 10, comma, then our third criteria group, comma, 15, close parentheses. Our result returns 1 because in the range there's only one row that matches the exact criteria, row 2. In the next criteria set, cell E3, we are looking for all item 1 values ending with A with an item 2 value of 10 and an item 3 value greater than 30. Our formula will be equals CountIFS, open parentheses, select our first criteria group, comma, double quote, asterisk A, double quote, comma, and then our second criteria group, comma, 10, comma, then our third criteria group, comma, double quote, greater than 30, double quote, close criteria. Our return value is 2. The formula matches row 4 and 6. Our last criteria set in cell E4 is looking for all item 1 values beginning with A with an item 2 value greater than 10 and an item 3 value less than 90. Our formula will be equals CountIFS, open parentheses, select our first criteria group, comma, double quote, A, asterisk, double quote, comma, and then our second criteria group, comma, double quote, greater than 10, double quote, comma, and then our third criteria group, comma, double quote, less than 90, double quote, close parentheses. The return result is 1, matching row 3. In my practical example, I have a list of salespersons. I want to count the amount of sales they have closed for the year. I have my sales table set up in columns A through C called Sales, and a sales year-to-date report with drop-downs of salespeople and if they have closed the sales or not. If you wish to see how to create drop-downs, I have a link in the description below. In cell G3, I want my results using the CountIFS function. Select cell G3 and enter the formula equals CountIFS, open parentheses, and then we'll select our salespersons column, comma, then select cell E3 for our criteria, comma, and then we'll select our close column for our criteria range, comma, and then we'll select F3 for our close criteria, close parentheses. Now that we have our formula in place, we can select our salesperson and if the accounts have been closed or open. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really does help my channel. Leave a comment below to let me know if this video was helpful or if you would like to see a video on a specific Excel topic. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time.